The changes that I see Gubaba is mostly his eye and his speech. It's like there's a problem with it. Ngathi ukhuluma slower than usual.
Yeah, kunjani?
Ngikhona wena njani?
Hayi ngiyaphila kodwa I'm not well. You see, i-problem enkulu ilokhu kwenzeka kuyangikhathaza kakhulu. But-ke ngoba ngiyasebenza ngiyenza zonke izinto kungathi ngikhona but otherwise I'm not there.
Njengoba ubaba engitshela iqiniso ngokuthi unjani, kuyangijabulisa lokho.
Ngoba ngihleli nawe ngizothi right but I'm not well. I'm trying. Kakhulu. Kodwa-ke
Watching ubaba ekhala kuyangikhombisa ukuthi naye ukhathele and also kuyangikhombisa ukuthi akathandi naye ukuba kulesimo lesi.
ngifisa kangcono ukuthi sekuningi ngikufundise kona noma sewuqedile lapha esikoleni because kuzongisiza lokho kakhulu.
Ubudlelwane bami no-Abongwe buhle because u-Abongwe tend to listen to me. Uyawathatha ama-advice ami